Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Canon EOS M50 firmware. Before we begin, it's crucial to prepare properly. First, make sure your camera's battery is fully charged, ideally showing 100%. This prevents any power interruptions during the update. Next, grab a freshly formatted SD card with at least 50 megabytes of free space. Finally, use a reliable computer that won't enter sleep mode or lose power unexpectedly. Now let's get the firmware file. Head over to the official Canon support website for your specific region. Search for the EOS M50 model and find its dedicated support page. There, you'll locate the latest available firmware version. Download this file. It's often a self-extracting archive or a ZIP file. Once downloaded, extract the contents. You're looking for a file with a FIR extension, which is the actual firmware. Place it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. With the firmware file ready, copy the FIR file directly to the root directory of your formatted SD card. Do not place it inside any folders. Safely eject the card from your computer and insert it into your Canon EOS M50 camera. Power on your camera. It's a good practice to have no lens attached, or at least the lens capped securely in place. Now, navigate through your camera's menu system to locate the firmware update option, usually found under the Setup or Wrench icon menu. Once you've found the firmware update option, select it. The camera should display the new firmware version it's about to install. Confirm this and follow the on-screen prompts precisely. This is a critical stage, so absolutely do not turn off the camera, open the battery door, or remove the SD card. The update process typically takes a few minutes. After it completes, restart your camera. Then, go back into the menu to verify that the firmware has been successfully updated to the new version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.